Come with me to California and let's go to Disney. Wait, sorry, I thought you guys were going that way. Oh my god. This is my happy place right here. What is that? Those guys. What is the van? The van for? Like, are they like transfers? They look so little. It looks so little. Oh my god. He's like, I just want my donut. That's the mission. Focus on the mission.
Verdes. I'll say those are the only food that I know.
It's 60 degrees. It's a bit chilly. Nothing like a SoCal girl. Fucking freezing. So pretty. I'm home. Super cold, 60 degrees, but I'm home. I'm in the water. It feels amazing. This is like in my blood. Let's see if we find a cool shell. Oh, look at the shell! A seashell! We're on Camp Pendleton. That's how it is, like in Santa Monica, Malibu. The water's freezing, but then you get the sun. That's what we're gonna do. What a great beach day. It's chilly, but you get used to it. Hey, what's up? It's snowing? Let me see. Wow, can you take pictures of my car in the snow? How nice. Hi, baby.
There's your stinky car.
I can't see, you're frozen.
Oh shit, I almost slipped.
Oh my god, hi, baby.
That's totally fine.
This is gonna be your beignets, and then this is going to
ask you to add more lemonade because I tasted more of like the iced tea.
Yeah, I can have more lemonade.
And to hers too, please. It was just really, really sweet. That's fine. Cute. Some barbecue. Is it 19 plus 99? 16. 16. Not even. It's implied. Ooh. What do you like to get from here?
I always get the tacos.
Just the tacos.
Al pastor.
What are 4 rolled tacos? They have chicharron. They have birria taco. Are you $1.69?
Is that too expensive?
I pay like $4 a taco.
Yeah, right here they're cheap. They're like so cheap here.
My husband's gonna be so mad.
And on Tuesdays they're 79 cents.
My husband's gonna die.
He's gonna be jealous.
He's gonna die. This is not real. You better get as many as you want. That's crazy. Tacos for $1.69. She's over there hanging out. That's fine. She just never gets to be by herself. Ooh, that's cool. Promotion. Oh my god, look at all the meat. Are they here all day, like during the day too?
Hello, how are you?
Hi. So you guys are here all day?
Yes,
Oh, perfect.
we are here Friday, not all days. Friday, Sunday, and Saturday,
No,
and Tuesday.
no lunes.
No lunes, no,
No lunes. Shit. Okay. ¿La carne se puede agarrar adentro? ¿O solo esto?
Solamente aquí, cocido.
Mhm. Solo. Okay, okay.
Pero también la tenemos cruda en la parte de adentro.
Okay, good to know. Gracias. That's so cool. Ooh, that's mac and cheese.
De hecho, el martes vamos a tener promoción. We have the deal, 10 for 10 wings.
Okay.
Tacos 61
En Los Angeles pago como like 3 con taco trucks. So aquí I'm like, ¿qué? 169? It's crazy. Oh, sure. Thank you. Look at that meat.
Oh, you want to try it?
Thank you. Oh my god. I don't know. What is it? Oh my god. Oh my god.
I'll try it.
Oh my god. Lo despreciaron. Gracias. Going to Tender Greens for lunch. And then Haagen-Dazs. Look, they have the birthday one. I bet you they're probably gonna be like almost 20 bucks here. How cute. The dog. Se parece a la cloud. Look, mira. Ahí están los baños if you need to go to the bathroom. This is my happy place right here. Being in the sun. Oh, I'm good. Sleep right here. It's a beautiful, perfect day. That's a little sticker. I'm just chilling and I'm full. So comfy. I don't need another bag. Thank you so much. Do you have a card or anything like that for you? We're gonna get some ice cream at Haagen-Dazs. It's cute, huh? They used to give straws that were pink hearts, like Hello Kitty pink hearts. Haagen-Dazs is my favorite ice cream in the whole world. Oh, it's right here. There's the butter pecan. I'm all about the rocky road. Some wings. Now my lips are burning because I had buffalo wings. So I've just been drinking water. I love Crossy Road. I gave away my points card so I can play. Kind of tired. I'm ready to go chill out and lay down. I'm so tired. It's 7:56. I'm having a good time, but I'm a little tired just because I've been up since 7 and I was driving everywhere and been walking and all of that. So I'm really ready to wind down for the night. Oh, you're totally fine.
So the open food line is $5.99. That's what this is about.
Nanny! Mama! Why is she doing that? What is she doing? You can't get more LA than the fruit guy on the corner at the gas station. Right here. Where's yours?
They're making it.
Holy
They're big.
How much is it?
I don't know yet.
Find out. Holy crap! Get more napkins. seconds.
Yeah, I'm gonna get some more.
Thank you, Jill. Oh my god. Wow. Holy crap, you guys. This fruit cup is bigger than my head. It's massive. Holy shit. I'm done. I'm going! Whew, made it.
He's about to dig.
Oh my god. Made it to the gate on time.
No, I'm just kidding. Thank you.